In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Onedrive Sync on your desktop in just 30 seconds. This process is simple and quick, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. When it's all said and done, your desktop will be free from any Onedrive syncing activity that might be affecting your system's performance. So, let's dive right in. First up, you'll need to locate the Onedrive icon on your taskbar. It's represented by a small cloud symbol and is typically found at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you're having trouble finding it right away, don't worry. Sometimes, certain icons are hidden by default. You can reveal these by clicking the upward arrow on your taskbar. This will show you any hidden icons, and you should be able to spot the Onedrive cloud symbol there. Once you've found it, simply click on the Onedrive icon. This action will bring up a small window on your screen. In this window, you'll need to look for the gear icon. The gear symbol represents settings, and it's crucial for altering how Onedrive functions on your computer. So, go ahead and click on that gear icon. By clicking the gear icon, you're now opening up the options to configure your Onedrive preferences. You're doing great, let's keep the momentum going. After you've clicked the gear icon, you should see a drop-down menu or possibly a new window. Here, you'll have the option to select Settings. This is where you'll want to click next. Now that you're in the Settings area, you'll be greeted with several tabs at the top of the window. Each of these tabs is designed to help you tweak the way Onedrive operates. For the next step, we're going to focus on finding the Account tab. You'll see this tab among the other available options within the Settings window. Once you're in the Account section, you're just one step away from severing the connection between your device and Onedrive. In the Account section, look for the option labeled Unlink this PC. By selecting this, you're beginning the process to disconnect your computer from Onedrive. Once you click it, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for confirmation. Make sure to take a moment to review the action. If you're certain about proceeding, go ahead and click to confirm the unlinking process. And there you have it, you've successfully unlinked your PC from Onedrive. From this point onward, Onedrive will no longer sync files from your desktop, allowing you to enjoy a clutter-free setup without any background syncing processes affecting your system's performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you achieve a more streamlined and efficient workspace.